In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a chainless starting double crochet. So I've already completed the first row of the pattern, and I just need to turn my work. So to do a chainless starting double crochet, you're going to lift your working loop up to about the height of a double crochet. You're going to take your index finger and secure that loop in place. You're going to yarn over with your working loop. So that's going to look like this. Bring your hook from the front to around the back. You've got that yarn over. If you lift your index finger, it will come off. That's not what we want. It just twists the loop. So make sure your index finger is holding that working loop in place. So you yarn over with that working loop. Then you yarn over with your working yarn. You're going to bring it through the yarn over. So now you've got two loops on your hook. So this is supposed to now act as your yarn over of a regular double crochet. So now we're going to go down into the base of our stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you should recognize where we are in the double crochet process. So we just yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And then I like to mark the tops of these stitches after I complete them so that I don't accidentally miss them as I come back on the following round. Sometimes, depending on the tension of the height of your working loop, if it's really small, this tends to get a little tight and hard to find. So I just like to mark it as I go. And then you'll just continue on in pattern. Now you will notice that in the pattern I use taller stitches on the edges and in the center spine of the shawl, and I found that gives a nice sharper angle for our triangle shape instead of a little bit more rounded edges.